Today we're going to be making cream puffs. We got some ingredients over there. We have 4 eggs, 1 cup flour, 1 cup water. We have 2.5 cup vanilla extract. We got a 2 cup heavy whipping cream. And we got 1 tablespoon of sugar. And the salt, we got 1/4 tablespoon. And chocolate chips, we have a 1.5 cup. And butter, we have a 1.5 cup again. This is going to involve boiling and other stuff that if you're a younger kid, you probably don't want to bake. But we're going to go over the boiling and all the other stuff. So I'm going to go over to the oven. Oh yeah, and preheat your oven to
450 degrees Fahrenheit.
It was 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. So we're going to start by boiling the water. And now we're going to boil it until it gets boiling. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup and put it on high, so be careful. 1 stick of butter, if you have these kinds of butter. So we're going to wait until it boils. Okay, we're back. It's on a slight boil right now. So I will add the butter and stir as it melts. After it melts, I'm going to return to the boil, so I'm going to go high again. Now we're going to add the flour and the salt all at once. So we had the 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 cup flour. 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of salt are going in. Okay, mine is forming into a ball right now. And then it says remove from heat, so I turn the stove off. And add in the 4 eggs, 1 at a time. Okay, I'm adding eggs 1 at a time and then stirring really well. You need to go fast before it turns into one of those cooked eggs. You need to stir really well and really fast before the mixture becomes scrambled eggs. You don't want that. When you're finished, it might seem like it's not enough, but it actually is enough. Drop by heaping tablespoons 3 inches apart on a cookie sheet. So I'm going to get the cookie scooper thing and I'm going to put this cookie sheet right here. So I'm going to move these over. Here, we're going to put this cookie sheet right here, and then we're going to spoon it out. Then it says, after you put them on here, then it says, bake 15 minutes in the preheated oven, then reduce heat to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake 25 minutes more. So we're going to bake 15 minutes on the microwave above my head here. And then, so we're going to put it in right here while it's preheating. So, when I checked on them the first time, the 15 minutes, it was done. It was, okay, I liked it. And then, I put it back in the oven and set it to 325 degrees. And then, I set a timer for 25 minutes. Let it cook in there for 25 minutes. And then, I got them out of the oven. Next, we are going to remove puffs from oven. Split and remove soft dough from center. Turn oven off and replace puffs to dry in cooling oven 20 minutes more. Cool completely on running rack. mix wire rack. I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll come back to you. Okay, we're back. I just finished scooping out all the dried dough out of all the cream puffs. And so now we're gonna make the filling for them. It said let it cool on a wire rack until it's completely cool. It's like still a little bit warm. And so now we're going to mix the batter. It says pour this in and whip it until it gets stiff with an electric mixer. There's an electric mixer right there, but I chose to do the handheld one just because I like it a little bit more than the electric mixer. So and then I'm gonna mix it on a little bit more. I'm gonna pause it and it's probably gonna be a while long, so see you later. Okay, I made it into a cream. So I finished making the cream. As you can see, it looks stiff, it feels stiff, and it tastes like it too. Next, we're gonna add the vanilla, and we're gonna vanilla extract, and we're gonna add the sugar. Remember, it was, I think, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then we're gonna mix again. This time I'm gonna do with electric mixer, but I have to do like that. I'm gonna put it in piping bag, and then we can do it. Now you can just try it. It's good. Good enough for another taste test. And now we're gonna put it in a piping bag, and we're gonna squirt it right there.